Now look at it. Ain't this magnificent? Wow. Nice. Alright guys, today I'll be showing you how to prepare this very delicious pan-seared honey garlic herb lamb chops. Alright guys, so right here I got roughly about a pound of lamb chops that I already went off camera and washed in some lemon juice just to cut some of that gamey taste out, right? Also, I got a lemon, but I'm just gonna use half the lemon, right? Also right here I got my peppercorns, my salt, right? 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of minced ginger, 4 tablespoons of honey, right? Also, I got my thyme, my rosemary, 5 cloves of garlic, right? First, I'm gonna start by adding some salt to taste, right? Also gonna add some pepper to taste. And you're gonna make sure you flip them to the opposite side and continue the process. Yes guys, this recipe is very simple, very easy, and very delicious. Trust me, I came up with this idea and it was a success. Alright guys, so after adding the pepper and salt, you just gotta make sure that you rub the seasoning into the lamb chops, right? With my stove on medium high, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my vegetable oil.
There's so much left to fight for.
And I'm just gonna toss my pot around a bit, just to ensure that the oil is properly spread right across the bottom of the pot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start pan-searing my lamb chops, right? And I'm just gonna pan-sear these lamb chops on each side for 2 to 3 minutes. Guys, you should be smelling the aroma right now. Trust me, the place is just bursting with flavor. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add roughly about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Guys, I also went off camera and pressed my garlic just to release the flavor, and I'm just gonna add it to my pot, right? Also gonna add my thyme and my rosemary. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add my minced ginger. Also gonna add my honey. Guys, you should be smelling this right now, trust me. Wow, it's unbelievable.
Let the cavalry sing.
I'm just gonna make sure I get all the bits of honey out, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and add half cut freshly squeezed lemon juice. And I'm just gonna toss my pot around a bit, right? Now I'm gonna go ahead and spoon fed my lamb chops with that delicious honey garlic herb sauce. Oh my, this is just awesome, trust me. Alright guys, so here are the finishing product of my pan-seared honey garlic and herb lamb chops. Oh look delicious, right? Taste delicious too. I wish if y'all be tasting this right now. Wow, nice, so soft and juicy. Mazara, yum. Martin. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Peace.